Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eye look using these two palettes by Juvias Place. We have the brand new Warrior 2 as well as the Magic Mini. I have been loving these two palettes so much. Every look has just been turning out amazing. As you'll see in this video, this eye look takes no time at all and it looks great. So if you would like to see how to achieve this eye look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start with the Magic Mini palette, and I'm going to go in with Kessie, I think is how you say it. And I'm just going to pack all over everywhere with it. I had to find a different palette to use as a mirror because unfortunately Juvias Place doesn't put mirrors in their palettes, which in my opinion is their only downfall. So again with Kessie, just to set the other eye. And then I'm going to go in with the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Dora, I think. And I'm going to use that as my transition color in my crease. Move that hair. So I'm just dipping back into Dora a little bit. And again in with Dora just to match up the other eye. Once I get this eye matched up, I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the Magic Mini palette and I'm gonna take the shade Koji. And I'm going to put that kind of in the crease as well, but just not, I'm not gonna drag it up as high. I just want to brighten up that crease a little bit. And back in with the Koji to match up this eye. It's looking mighty pink. So now back into the Warrior 2, I'm gonna go in with Walzana, which is this dark gray, like almost a black shade. And I'm going to, on a Morphe E17, I'm going to pack that into the outer corner. I'm not dipping back in, I'm just starting off with the product that is in from one dip. Once I get some color placed, I'll drag the excess. I'm just dipping back into Walzana and just to deepen up a smidge. These colors blend actually like beautifully. I've been super impressed with Juvias Place. Back in because I just want to deepen up this side a little bit, same with the same shade. Now I want it to be a smidge deeper, so on a MAC 239 I'm going to go in with Shawata right here, this black shade, and I'm going to just pack it into that inner and outer corner here. Trying to get my shape that I want, and then I'll slightly drag the extra. I'm not dipping back in at all, I'm just going back and forth until I get it looking kind of how I want it. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to grab my Tom Ford number 13, and I'm going to dip into Dora from the Magic Mini, or not the Magic Mini, the Warrior 2, and I'm going to just start going over these lines here, just to soften the edge of that black a bit, because we don't want no harsh lines. Again, back in with Dora, I'm just going to do the same thing to this eye. This brush is amazing for this job. It really is. All right, we've got that part done. Done enough. So now I'm going to go in to the Magic Mini, because this is where all of the fun shimmery shades are. I don't know which one. This Faso one is really pretty. It's got like a duochrome shift to it. I think I'm gonna use that. So on my finger, I'm just dipping into Faso right here. And I grab my mirror. There it is on my finger. And I'm going to press it onto the lid. Such a beautiful color, oh my goodness. Back in with Faso so that I can do this eye. That color is so interesting. I think though I want to use also a little bit of this Yemoja. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's just like a silver shade. And I'm going to press that more so in the center and then fade it inward. Okay, now back in with my Morphe E17, with nothing else on it. I'm just going to blend through this a little bit just to soften the transition from the shimmer shade to the dark matte shade there. Okay, and I want a little bit more of that Dora color from the Warrior 2. Just because I feel that I need a smidge more up in here. Okay. Now, what? I'm going to take Dora on a little detail brush, and I'm going to smudge it under my lower lash line. Excuse me while palettes are falling all over the place. And then I'm going to take the black shade from the Warrior 2 called Shawada. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing any of these names correctly. I'm not bringing this one all the way across. I'm concentrating this one more in just like the lower bottom corner, because next, I'm going to also dip into Faso from the Magic Mini, and I'm going to smudge that along the first portion of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Osun from the Magic, and that is going to go into my inner corner. Okay, I will be right back with liner and lashes on. Focus there. All right, I'm back. For liner, in the bottom, I used Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide in Chaos. On the top, I'm using Kat Von D and Trooper. On my lashes, I'm using the Bold Bad Lash from MAC. And on my lips, I'm wearing Orgasm Gloss by NARS. So I will show you the eyes. Now, this was just like a super, super quick look. And in no time at all, I came up with a look that I think looks fabulous. I absolutely love the Magic Mini. I've been so impressed with Juvias Place. Let me do a few swatches for you. I've got to swatch some of these shimmer shades for you guys. Check those out. Like, oh my goodness. That shade is so pretty. And look at that. I would totally want to do a look using that green color and that gold. Look at that gold. But these two greens, oh my goodness. My next look, I'm going to use those. So pretty. Anyways, guys, this is super quick. I gotta run. If you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to be notified, then hit the bell. And until next time, have a great day.